This is a walkthrough on how to use basically Calendly and Active Campaign, but also Slack too, just for notifications, kind of tying all that together when basically someone cancels a meeting and you want to update that in ActiveCampaign, your deal, your CRM side, and putting them on a certain stage, and then finally letting you know in Slack. Okay, so basically, at first, the reason why I'm doing this too, I couldn't find any clear instruction sets on how to do that, so I'm just creating a video and sharing it out there, and hopefully, it's able to help someone. So first of all, obviously, I need Zapier. On this particular screen, you can see basically this is the flow of things. So I find it easier just going to show you everything at once, and then I'm going to walk through the pieces. So Calendly, I log into my account. App, it has to be the invitee canceled. Then I'm connected to my Calendly account. Then finding data that pretty much, you just it's everything else is set there, so you don't have to worry about that. So that's all set. And then the filter. So I have multiple types of Calendly events, so that's why I added this filter. I don't want every single cancels to basically go through this whole Zap. I only want certain types, and in this case, I only want the types that are where is it? That's exactly the 15-minute website discussion for me. So then the next piece is, so the reason why you need the find deal before you can go straight into update deal is that in ActiveCampaign, the deal, there's an ID. So once you have the ID, then you're able to go into the next step, the fourth step, and say, all right, update this deal ID. So first of all, the find the deal, obviously the app is ActiveCampaign. There is a Zap called Find Deal, and I choose my account, customize deal. So the deal title has to be this, and the contact email, is whatever the invitee is. So I pull this from Calendly, and then I know what the deal title is. Then, I send data, it works, great. So now I'm able to update it. So again, going into ActiveCampaign, but this time I select update deal, I choose my account, and then I customize deal. So the unique thing is I want to look at the deal ID. If you click on this, the find deal, you see the ID here, right? So that's kind of how I reference that. Then I can skip the owner. This is my pipeline and the stage, website, Facebook leads, and Calendly appointment got canceled. So let me kind of show you what this stage looks like. So kind of like on this screen. So you have, as soon as the appointment gets scheduled here, the deals is right here, or the deals could be here. But if it gets canceled, it searches for this deal and it moves to this stage, Calendly appointment canceled. So that's kind of how it flows through things in ActiveCampaign. Now, finally, once I have that, then what happens to the Slack? I mean, this is really more for me and my rest of my team. I just want to know. I don't want to dig through every single system. I already get spammed with emails. So I have Slack, and I made a little message here: appointment canceled on Calendly, the deal, blah 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 blah. So you can kind of see it here. Customize message here. And then, there's a lot of other settings. You can play around with it if you like. And then that's it. So that's the whole flow of things. I hope all this is clear now, makes sense to you. At first, I didn't know this was possible. So I started digging deeper and deeper into it. Next thing you know, I'm able to put this put this together. So hopefully this is able to help you or someone out there with this particular process. So, hope see you next time. Bye.